In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the Pomodoro technique in Ticktick. Customizing the Pomodoro technique in Ticktick can be a great way to tailor your productivity sessions to fit your personal needs and work style. Whether you're using a mobile device or the desktop version, the process is quite seamless. Let's jump right in and walk through the steps together. First, you'll want to launch the Ticktick app. If you haven't downloaded it yet, make sure you have it installed on your preferred device, whether it's mobile or desktop. Once you're in, navigate to the Focus or Pomodoro tab. Now, it's worth noting that sometimes this tab might not be visible by default, so you may need to enable it in your main settings first. Don't worry, it's pretty straightforward to do. With the Focus or Pomodoro tab open, your next mission is to locate the settings. You'll usually find them via the Settings or More icon, which is often situated in the top right corner of the screen. Give that icon a tap or click and select Focus Settings or Pomodoro Settings from the menu that comes up. Now, we're in the heart of customization. Starting with the Pomo duration, the default is set traditionally at 25 minutes, reflecting the classic Pomodoro technique. However, you have the freedom here to change this to a longer period if it suits your workflow better. For instance, 45 or even 50 minutes might be more effective if you prefer longer, uninterrupted spans of concentration. Next, let's look at the break durations. You can adjust both the short break and the long break durations. The short break is a quick 5 minutes by default, perfect for a quick rest. But perhaps you need a bit longer to recharge, and you can easily modify that. Similarly, the long break defaults to 15 minutes, but increasing this might be beneficial after several periods of intense focus. Speaking of several periods, you'll also find the Pomo's Before Long Break option. This feature allows you to set how many Pomodoro sessions you want to accomplish before you take that longer break, with the default being 4 sessions. Tailoring this can keep your routine fresh and prevent burnout. In your settings, you'll also come across the daily focus goal. Here, you have an opportunity to determine what your target focus time is for each day. Customizing this is perfect if you have a broader daily focus target you'd like to meet. A handy feature is the Auto Start setting, applicable for both breaks and Pomos. When toggled on, it automatically starts your break timer after a session or the next Pomodoro after a break. It's a fantastic option to keep your sessions flowing smoothly without manual intervention. Strict mode is another option available on mobile, which can help eliminate distractions by preventing you from using other apps during your focus session. Lastly, explore sound settings. You can choose sounds that signal the end of a Pomodoro or end of a break. Added to that, enabling white noise offers background ambiance like rain or forest sounds, helping to create the ideal focus environment. With these customization options at your fingertips, you can tweak the Pomodoro technique in Ticktick to perfectly suit your individual workflow and productivity goals. Give it a try and see how these custom settings enhance your focus and efficiency. Happy focusing!